Hi, hello, namaskaram. Welcome to Manam. This is Vachita. In today's Manam Sarees episode, we will be looking at the Semi Banarasi Sarees. Starting off with the first shade, this lovely blue color saree. It's a Semi Banarasi saree with jacquard weaving all over the body, and it also has small kalamkari prints on the body, a very rare combination. And for the border, we have a contrasting green color border, a broader border on this side, and it's got a shorter border on the other side, and it has Kanjivaram borders on both the sides. Moving on to the Palu, we have a contrasting green color Palu with jari work, and it's a very grand Palu, and the whole saree is also very grand and suitable for all party occasions. And the Palu also has tassels at the bottom. For the blouse, we have a contrasting green color blouse, and it's a very heavy blouse with buttas all over the body, golden zari buttas, and it also comes with broad borders with golden zari work on both the sides. And this saree is priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next shade, this lovely red color saree with jacquard prints all over the body, and it also has kalamkari prints on the body and making it very grand and rich, perfect for traditional occasions and party wear. And moving on to the borders, it's got a contrasting yellow border on both the sides, a broader one on this side, and it's got a narrow border on this side. And it also has jari weaving on both the sides, similar to the Kanjivaram borders. Now for the Palu, we have a contrasting yellow Palu with jari work all over it, making it very grand and rich like I said. And it also has some tassels at the bottom. Now for the blouse, we have a contrasting yellow color blouse, and this blouse also has jari buttas all over it. And this saree is priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next shade, this mehendi green color saree, and it has got buttas all over the body, grand jari weaving work, and it's also got jacquard weaving on the body with kalamkari prints, big roses as you can see. And now moving on to the borders, we have a contrasting orange color border on both the sides, and this is a narrow border on this side and a broader one on this side. For the Palu, we have a contrasting orange color Palu with grand jari weaving work on it, and it also has some lovely tassels at the bottom in the shade of green. For the blouse, we have a contrasting orange color blouse with buttas on it, and it also has borders of grand jari weaving work, and this saree is priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next saree, the same mehendi green saree, similar to the previous one that I showed you. And here, as you can see on the body, it's got the same jacquard weaving but different floral patterns on the body. As you can see here, this one has big roses, but it's got smaller kalamkari floral pattern on the body. And for the Palu, we have the same contrasting orange color Palu, and the same goes for the blouse as well. And this saree is also priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next saree, this lovely yellow color saree which has got kalamkari floral prints all over the body. It's got some big roses, and it also has jacquard weaving as well, a very lovely combination. And for the border, we have a contrasting red color border, a broader one on this side and a narrow one on the other side, similar to the Kanjivaram borders. For the Palu, a contrasting red color Palu with jari work on it, and it also has tassels at the bottom of the saree. Now for the blouse, we have a contrasting red color blouse with zari buttas on it, and it also has jari weaving on the borders of the blouse. And this saree is also priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next saree, the same yellow color saree with the same jacquard weaving, similar to the one that I am wearing previously. And the only difference in this saree is that it's got different floral patterns, kalamkari floral patterns as you can see. And same goes for the borders and for the Palu as well, a contrasting red color Palu, and the same goes for the blouse as well. And this saree is also priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next saree, this lovely navy blue color saree with jacquard weaving on the body, and it also has floral kalamkari prints on the body, and giving it a very grand look since it's got jari all over. And coming to the borders, we have a contrasting green color border on both the sides, a narrow border on this side and a broader one on the other side. For the Palu, we have a contrasting green color Palu with golden jari work on it, and it also has some tassels at the bottom. Moving on to the blouse, we have a contrasting green color blouse with golden zari buttas on it, and it also has some golden zari work on the borders of the blouse. And this saree is priced at rupees 1995 only. Moving on to the next shade, this lovely red color saree with jacquard weaving on the body, and it also has floral kalamkari prints on the body. And now coming to the border, we have a contrasting double-sided yellow color border, and we also have a narrow one on this side and a broader one on the other side. For the pallu, we have a contrasting yellow color pallu with golden zari work on it, giving it a very rich look, and this pallu also has tassels at the bottom. For the blouse, we have a contrasting yellow color blouse with zari buttas, and it also has zari work along the borders on both the sides. And this saree is priced at Rs 1995 only. If you like any of the sarees that we have showcased today, kindly take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp at 7824834404. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks for daily updates. Also check out our website manamchennai.com to shop our showcase products.